Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Dakar Desert Rally fatal error. Let's fix it guys. Select OK. The first solution is to clear Desert Rally's cache files and run Epic Games as admin. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here you just need to search for Dakar 2 game folder, right click on it and select delete it guys. Doing this will not cause any damage to our game files. We have cleared Desert Rally's cache files. Now you just need to close it up here and right click on the Epic Games launcher and select open file location. Right click on the Epic Games launcher.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now after doing this, close it up here. This was our first solution guys. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to adjust paging file size. Doing this we will make our computer run more smoothly and will free up our RAM. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type sysdm.cpl. Click on OK. Select advanced tab and under the performance select settings. Select advanced tab again. In virtual memory under click on change. You just need to uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all devices. And after doing this, you just need to select the disk where you installed the game. And after that, select custom size. And now in install size, you need to type 1.5 times of RAM in our computer. In maximum size, we need to type 3 times our RAM, but we need to type in megabytes. If you don't know your computer RAM, then you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. Select system on right side. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and select about. Here you can able to see the RAM installed in your computer. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. After checking it, you just need to close it off here. Now we will set the install size and maximum size guys. To do this, you just need to open the calculator. Click on open it. First, you just need to type the RAM installed in your PC. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. After typing it, for finding install RAM, you just need to select the multiply symbol and type 1024. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte guys. That's why I'm typing it. Select symbol equal symbol. Now you just need to multiply 1.5. Select equal, and after getting this value, you just need to type in install size section. You just need to type it 2457 6 24,576. This may be different for you guys. You need to write the result you have, not what I wrote guys. For maximum size, you just need to type the RAM you have. You just need to type it. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. After that, you just need to check the multiply symbol, and then you just need to type 1024 and then select equal to. After getting this value, this is our total RAM in megabytes guys. Now you just need to select multiply and then select 3 and then select equal to, and now type in maximum size guys 49,200. After typing it, select OK. Select OK. Select OK again. And after doing this, now you need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.